Hi, nothing excites me like unboxing swag, and this package I got this from Right the Docs Kenya. I recently spoke at their event and I received this as my swag. So if you don't know about Right the Docs is a community of technical writers, and this specifically was the Kenyan one. I think they have chapters across the globe that you can actually look out for if you're a technical writer, or if you'll be interested in a community like this. You can look out for Write the Docs and actually see how you can join these communities. So let's get into it. So first, I think this is a t-shirt. Yeah, and as you can see, it has Write the Docs Kenya 2024, because I spoke at the conference in 2024 late last year, and yeah, and this is exactly my size. I'm definitely adding this to my tech event swag t-shirt collection. Then this, I have a feeling this is a bottle, a flask. Yeah. Oh. So it also has Write the Docs 2024. So it's docs or it did not happen, which I think means document it, or it's either documented or it did not actually happen. This is the first of the kind in my collection, and I definitely love it and I will maximally use it. I really appreciate the team at Raise the Docs Kenya, right from having me as a speaker to sending me swag. I really appreciate all your efforts, and if you're the kind that is interested in technical writing, then this is the right community for you. I'm going to tag the link to join their community in my description. Thank you.